Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a TCL 30SE. First of all, open your Play Store and in search of Google Play, find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Then choose from the list your application, maybe, I don't know, maybe Gmail will be nice, so choose application. Now from the library choose your icon, maybe this one. And now in the top right corner we got OK button, so tap it and wait a second for generating of new icon. Then it close ads a few times maybe. And now we got success message, so go to our home screen and here we got our new icon of our email. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.